Welcome back, everybody. We're in the garage today because it's cold as shit out and it's raining, but we got a little project. So this is a Snapper 3000 watt pressure washer with a Honda engine, and this is bad. So we're going to replace the pump because this valve, the unloader valve, is bad. I was going to replace just this unloader valve, but despite my best efforts, I can't get it out. So pulling these off is super simple. You have 3 bolts on this thing, and it comes right out. So we're going to go ahead and pull those, and I'll be right back. So one thing to keep in mind is those bolts are your engine mounting bolts also. So make sure when you pull that last one off, you have it sitting up like that. Alright, she comes right off. So the way you can know that that unloader valve is bad is you start this thing and it basically pumps up and immediately dies. It's not unloading the pressure, so that valve is bad, and that valve is like $15 if you can get it out of there. This one I can't. So a new pump is like $55. So for this motor I will order the pump, and I will link that in the description for you guys. So I'll go ahead and grab the new pump and we'll be right back. Okay, so here's our Gina pump. Got this one off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for you. It's a non-affiliate, so don't make anything off of it. It just makes it easier on you. You got to make sure that that is the right size, that input. Some of them are 3/4, some of them are 7/8. So the rest of the stuff in this box are your nice little instructions, and a new bolt kit, and your cap, and your little washer and filter for the inlet. So we're good there. Okay, so here's our new one. There's our old one. The shaft size is the same, and the bolt pattern is the same. And remember, the bolts that hold this on also hold your motor on, so you can't tip this up. So this time we got to come in from down below. So I'll try to show you this as best I can. Got to line that keyway up. Luckily you can kind of spin the pump down there. Oh, that's a pain in the ass. Alright, so mine hits this, so I'm going to move this to the back. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these clips out, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that that's out of the way, we'll go ahead and grab one of our bolts. And get it up there. Right like that. And if you need to, you can move the shaft on the pump itself. So I'm going to go ahead and get those other 2 bolts in, and I'll be right back. Alright, now she's on. Let's go ahead and take these thread protectors off. Got 2 of them on there. Go ahead and put your little filter and screen on. And now we can run it outside and test it. And now it works. And there we go. It's still cold. Either way, she's running, the motor valve is working, so it looks like we're doing good. Alright, so there we go. I'm actually going to get a 90-degree elbow for that and just bring that down a little bit. Makes life a little bit easier. There's not a good place to mount this guy on the back, so yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So anyway, like, subscribe, share us. Ask me any questions you got. Deuces.